we are ready to put our Scentsy diffuser together. Now, right here, we want to just kind of point out to you that this is what our etched core silhouette warmers look like, and this is our loom, and this has been in our bedroom. But now we're going to phase it out and put in our diffuser. So I'm just going to show you how tall it is and how big it's going to be in comparison to our other warmers. It's almost twice the entire size. So and this is a pretty standard warmer here. Now I want to show you this is all plugged in, ready to go, but right here this says max fill line, and you see the little lines on the side here. You're going to want to take your water. I just filled this with cold water. You will want to use cold water, not warm water or hot water. This is a cold distilled warmer, and you're going to want to fill it up. And I'm not going to fill it exactly to that max fill line, but close. Alright, then I'm going to take our little clear vial here, and I still have my little cap on it. And the great thing about the Scentsy oils is some people say, oh, you know, with our Scentsy wax, you know, I can't smell it anymore. Well, usually that's because people become anosmic to using the same scent over and over and over again. So it's just like wearing perfume. You know, after a while wearing your favorite perfume for 20 years, you just keep putting it on and on. Everyone else can smell it, but you can't. So same with the oils here. You can put in as few drops. So if you like a lighter scent, just put in a couple drops. But if you're like me, you know, like 4 or 5 drops is not going to be enough. I'm really going to want to, you know, put in a good amount of drops. All right, can you see the oils floating there? They've all kind of come together in a circle. I'm going to put my diffuser on, and the lid can go on anyway here. Now there's some setting options, and I just kind of want to show you those. Now, for the very first one, I'm going to actually put the top on here first. And it goes on, and it, let's see here. Alright. It is on, and you have to see how it comes out the top here. You want to make sure that you get it in through the hole there. I am going to turn it on. Now, these buttons are here. This is the button for the scent, not for the light. So first off, we're going to press it and hold for 1.5 seconds in order to get the intermittent mode. Can you hear it? Look at that. You can see that that's not smoke. It's a nice cool mist. So immediately you can start smelling your diffuser. So in just looking over the instructions, you can press this button to figure out what settings you want. So I pressed it for 1.5 seconds to get an intermittent mode, which is 8 hours of run time. So see how it's already off? It just ran for a couple seconds and then it's off. Now I'm going to put it once for a high mist, which is going to be 4 hours. Hope I have to press it again to get out of settings. So I just pressed it, and now this is just going to run straight like this for 4 hours if I leave it on that setting. And there's one more setting, and so we can set it for a low mist run time, and all you have to do is press it again after you've pressed this one just one time, and it'll just run for low mist for 8 hours length. So you can have it run for 4 hours, 8 hours, and to turn it off, just press it one last time and it's off immediately. Now, after it's run out of water, it's automatically going to turn off. It'll stay in the on position. It'll always be plugged in, and once you get the light feature going, that will stay on. The lights will stay on, and that will not affect the diffuser at all. So once the water runs out, just no more scent comes out, and that's it. When you're ready to refill it, all you gotta do is take this off, and you just take the plastic, bring it over to your sink, wipe it out with a a towel and just get it nice and clean out in there, and pour in some more cold water. Now, some people say you have to use distilled water. Again, I just filled up this water bottle from our bathroom sink, and because Scentsy is a fragrance experience, not necessarily for medical purposes or topically. You do not want to put these oils on topically or ingest them. These are just for fragrance, and that helps with aromatherapy and your mood. And I'm just smelling the scent right now, and it just smells so clean. So clean is fir needle, lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus. God, that just smells so good. So now I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to turn it on again for 8 hours. So I'm going to press it once and then a second time, because I would like it to run for the full 8 hours. And you see how it's already doing the mist again. Now I'm going to turn the lights off for you and show you what happens with the color on this. I'm going to turn this little light off. Here's what happens when I press it one time. You see that? That's actually a consistent light. In my phone here, it maybe looks like it's a flickering light, but it's not. It's just a consistent light. I'm going to press it a second time here. This is a low light. I'm going to press it again, and it's going to start doing a little candle flicker. And I don't know if you can see that because it's already flickering from my cell phone. I'm going to press it again, fourth time, turns it off. Now if you want the colors, watch what happens. I'm going to hold it and release. And it's going to go through 16 different colors when I put it at this setting. So watch, you can already see it turning. It's going to a purple now. And you can see the light mist coming up. It's dark in here, so I don't know if you can really see it really well, but now it's a pink color turning into red and orange. Yellow. Look at that, it's getting brighter and brighter. Kind of turning a green color now. Alright, going through all the colors here. It's a white color now. When it gets back to blue, watch what happens. I'm going to turn it in whatever color you want it to stay. You press it again. You can have it press again to quickly go to those different colors. See how I'm just going through, and I want to just leave it at that color or off. I'm going to press it again, on. I'm going to keep it at this color. Alright, it's that easy. Look how pretty that is. This will be a great color to go to sleep with at night. It's kind of an amber color that I have on right now. And hope you guys all understand how to use this. It's so easy. It smells great. And please let us know if you have any questions. Sean and Wendy Robinson, thesafestcandles.com. Thanks for watching.